My name is Blaine Rankensmeyer. I'm one of the founders here at investor.com, as well as our parent organization, Rank Media Group. In this video, I want to tell a little bit about Rank Media and how we came to be, as well as investor.com and our mission, and then more about the Mission Supporters Program, why we're here. So, Rank Media Group is a privately held business. In fact, we are a certified B Corporation. We've never taken capital from venture capital nor private equity. So everything we do here is what we like to say, people before profits. As far as our story for investor.com, it's actually a personal one. So myself, alongside my brother, our grandparents were teachers. For several decades, they used a financial advisor, not only while they were teaching and saving for retirement, but as well during retirement. What they didn't know was that financial advisor they thought they could trust was in fact each year around the holidays taking a portion of their portfolio, selling it, and then rebuying it back using loaded mutual funds. It was a great way to get a bonus as a financial advisor. Unfortunately, it ended up costing our family hundreds of thousands of dollars. As one can imagine, this was a big surprise to our family and something where I looked at it and said, wow, how could this happen? I always had this, maybe it was naive, but I looked at it as, I thought financial advisors were like doctors or lawyers. They had a fiduciary standard on how they approach their work. And I was surprised to find that that's not exactly how it works. So I set out to do just research and learn more, and the more I researched, the more I found there was a severe lack of information on the web about financial advice. I found one site though that was helpful, and that was the SEC IAPD website. This is where, as we know, all the regulatory filings come in for over 17,000 firms across the country. So the problem though was, one, it was very hard to find. Two, it was very hard to sort through. And then three, even once you found the regulatory filings, digesting them and making sense of them was extremely difficult. So this became the consumer advocacy mission for investor.com. How can we make this information digestible? How can we bring it to Americans in a just a clear-cut way? And then we built what we call the trust algorithm. And what we do is we take that information from the SEC IAPD website and we make that available to Americans for all 17,000 firms, which is why so many firms find their firm on investor.com, because they're all on our website. And with that, then Americans can find information about the firm from a high level. They can find information about the conflicts of interest. They can also find information about what the firm has done over their history. And the purpose here is, again, consumer advocacy. Looking back at what my grandparents had and did not have available to them, well, we look at that and say, how can Americans ask better questions? How can we provide educational materials and resources so Americans can ultimately, this is about finding a financial advisor that you can trust. And it's something that's very deep for us. And that is why when we think about what we're doing here with our Mission Supporters Program, it's all about working with the industry. So we don't want any conflicts of interest on our end. And that is why, as you can see, as you explore more about this program, it's extremely affordable. But even then, if you look beyond the program and participating from a formal level, we get so much support from the industry, from those who are linking back to our site, referring their friends and colleagues to the site and referencing it, sharing and talking about us on social media. So I really want to clarify here in this video, it's not just about asking for your dollars to support our program actively. We have so much support from the industry supporting our consumer advocacy efforts already. But that said, this video is here for a reason too. We'd love for you to join on board and support us financially. This program, we've been doing this for a number of years. We have yet to be profitable. This is about Americans, it is about advocacy, and ultimately it's about shining a spotlight on the best firms. There's so many fantastic financial advisors and financial advisory firms in this country, and that is what we're here to do. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting our program. You're here, you're watching it, and I can't thank you enough for that support. So with that, have a blessed day.